Okay, next up, speaker number 9, James Callery from Moru, University of Oxford in Bangkok, Thailand.
Raise your hand if you've ever taken a medicine when you were sick. Now keep your hand raised if you've ever experienced side effects. As you can see, most of you experienced side effects. Most of them were probably mild, like a little bit of diarrhea, but some may have been more severe. When researchers are developing new medicines, they have to balance the benefits with side effects which are considered acceptable. This balance can change depending on the illness being treated. For something serious like malaria, patients may be more willing to tolerate something like diarrhea and vomiting if they know the medicine will save their lives. However, for a simple headache, this might be unacceptable. My research focuses on the side effects of a new malaria combination treatment for treating malaria. This merges 2 existing treatments into a single pill. But why do we need to do this? Once again, malaria treatments are becoming less effective due to the development of drug resistance. By combining treatments, this should make them work better. However, this might change or increase the side effects. Today, I'll focus on one side effect that a patient might not know they're experiencing, a kidney side effect. For those who don't know, the kidneys, pictured here in the center, are found in our lower back, just above our waist. Their main job is to filter waste products and excess water from our blood, which is then removed from our body as urine. Some medicines can harm the kidneys and make them work less well. This may lead to a buildup of toxins in the blood, which might make us sick. This is usually temporary and mild, however, some patients might require hospital treatment, so it's important to understand how medicines affect our kidneys. Fortunately, there's a blood test, a simple blood test, which can tell us how our kidneys are working. If they're working less well, this blood test will be high. During our research, we discovered that when we gave the medicine to people with malaria, for some, this kidney blood test was high. This was unexpected, as the medicines that we combined were not known to harm kidney health. So we started to think, is this a result of the medicine interacting with the blood test rather than harming the kidneys? To explore this, we tested the drug on people without malaria and measured how their kidneys are working. This time, we took 2 blood tests, the standard blood test and an alternate. Importantly, the second blood test measures how the kidneys work in a slightly different way, so this should give a true reflection on how medicines affect the kidneys. As expected, the standard blood test was high. However, the alternate showed that there had been no change in how the kidneys were working. The mechanism behind this is a bit too detailed to explain now, but this phenomenon has been observed with other common medicines. We can therefore conclude that the alternate test shows the true effect and that the combination medicine does not harm our kidneys. This important finding assures us of the safety of this more effective malaria treatment, which we hope will become available worldwide. Thank you.